Join us for this year's Spotlight Awards at Midway University. This lively event is the university's largest annual fundraiser and includes a cocktail reception, dinner buffet, live auction of unique items, and a great opportunity to mix and mingle with friends. Each year during Spotlight, the university also presents 2 awards. The Midway Legacy Award honors those who have been longtime supporters of the university. And the Pinkerton Vision Award honors the legacy of our founder, Dr. Pinkerton, and shines a light on someone who's been improving women's lives, has been a role model for other women, or has shown leadership and innovation in their chosen field. This year's Spotlight Awards event theme is Under Construction. Upon arrival, guests will be given a sneak peek at the construction and renovation projects underway on campus. We hope to see you at this year's Spotlight Awards.